Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm a little late to the party and I have not drawn anything Squid Game related yet, but I know it's all over the place and everyone is talking about it. So I finally decided to get on board and make my own Squid Game drawing. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Squid Game guard. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Squid Game guard, we are going to begin with the head. So I'm going to begin right here, and we just want to draw a line that's just going to go out and down. And we'll do the same thing on this side. We're going to go out and bring it in. And we'll just connect it. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and then come up. And we'll do another one here. We're going to go out and come up. Then we just want to connect this on the top. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes in and another little line that comes in over here. Starting here, we'll draw a little line that comes out on each side. And we'll make two lines that come down on each side. Then starting here, we'll draw a little line across. Next, we'll make two more little lines that come down and another line that comes across. Starting here, we'll make a line that goes out and then in, and another one we're going to go out and then in. We'll make a line across. Then we're going to draw two lines that come up with a little line on top. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve down. It's going to come over and up. And same thing here, we're just going to curve down. We'll go over and up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go in and then back up. Starting here, we're going to go down. We're going to come in and back up for the arms. Starting here, we'll draw a low line that curves down on each side. Another little line that just goes down. And we'll make another line that's going to curve around. So we'll draw a low line that just goes down and then curves around. Next, starting here, we're going to draw two little lines that come down. And starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side with another line that's going to come down on each side. Right here, we're going to draw a little square shape with a little triangle or V shape on the top. Over here, we'll draw a little line that goes over, down, and over, and one here, over, down, and over, with a little line across. Right here, I'm going to draw a little line along the bottom of the shoes. And then up here, we want to add some sort of shape. You can do a square, triangle, or circle. So I'm just going to go and make like a triangle. So I'll draw a line that comes down on each side and a little line right across. Then we just want to repeat that same shape inside of here. Starting here, I'm also going to make a line that comes across and a line that comes down. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Squid Game guard. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.